Most people don't realize it until it's too late. Debt isn't just costing you money, it's quietly stealing your entire future. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about real money, real strategies, and real ways to build lasting wealth. So if that sounds like something you need, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a thing. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever sat down at the end of the month and wondered where all your money went? You worked hard, you got paid, and somehow, before you could even breathe, the money was already gone. Minimum payments here, interest charges there, and then you're left with almost nothing to actually live on. Sound familiar? That's the quiet trap of debt, and millions of Americans are living inside it right now without even realizing how bad it really is. Here's what nobody tells you about debt. It's not just a financial problem, it's a psychological one. When you owe money, whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or personal loans, your brain is always running in the background, stressed, anxious, and exhausted. You can't think clearly about investing. You can't plan for the future. You're just surviving, month to month, hoping nothing breaks down before the next paycheck. But here's where everything changes. The moment you kill your debt, every last dollar of it, something almost unbelievable happens. It's not just that the payments stop, it's that your entire relationship with money shifts. People who've paid off their debt often describe it as breathing for the first time. The weight lifts, the fog clears, and suddenly the money that used to vanish into minimum payments, that money is now yours. Let's put real numbers on this. Say you're paying $600 a month toward debt. Once that debt is gone, you've just created $600 in cash flow every single month. Now imagine redirecting that into an index fund, a high-yield savings account, or even a side investment that generates passive income. Over 20 to 30 years, that one shift can mean hundreds of thousands of dollars in wealth that actually belongs to you. And then there's your credit score. When you pay off debt, especially revolving credit like credit cards, your credit utilization drops, your score climbs, and the higher credit score opens doors, better mortgage rates, lower insurance premiums, easier approval on future investments. Your past financial struggle literally starts working in your favor. This is also when smart investing becomes possible for the first time. Without debt payments eating your paycheck, you can start building real assets, stocks, real estate, retirement accounts. The psychology shifts from fear-based spending to growth-based thinking. You stop asking, how do I survive this month, and start asking, how do I build this decade? The most powerful financial tip I can give you is this. Treat your debt payoff like a sprint, not a marathon. Use the avalanche method. Pay off your highest interest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Every dollar you throw at that high interest balance is a guaranteed return equal to that interest rate. No investment can promise you that kind of certainty. So here's your takeaway from today. Killing your debt isn't just about getting out of the red. It's the starting line for every real wealth-building move that comes after. The investing, the passive income, the financial freedom, none of that is possible while debt is draining you dry. Get out of debt first, and everything else becomes easier, faster, and more powerful. If this opened your eyes even a little, do me a favor. Like this video, drop a comment below telling me how much debt you're working to pay off, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. I drop content like this every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next.